Hello kids! Today we are going to learn body parts. So let's start. Head. This is head. Hairs. These are hairs. Eyes. These are eyes. Eyebrows. These are eyebrows. Ear. This is ear. Nose. This is nose. Mouth. This is mouth. Lips. This is lips. Tongue. This is tongue. Teeth. These are teeth. Chin. This is chin. Neck. This is neck. Shoulders. These are shoulders. Arm. This is arm. Elbow. This is elbow. Hand. This is hand. Finger. This is finger. Thumb. This is thumb. Stomach. This is stomach. Leg. This is leg. Knee. This is knee. Ankle. This is ankle. Foot. This is foot. Toe. This is toe. Now let's revise one by one. Hairs, head, eyebrows, eyes, nose, ears, mouth, teeth, chin, neck, shoulders, arms, elbows, hands, fingers, thumb, stomach, legs, knees, feet, ankle, toe. Very well done, dear kids. I hope you learned something new today. See you next time. Bye.
Yay!